If you've ever used Zoho Books, you probably know it's a solid accounting software, but sometimes it just feels rigid. Maybe you've tried renaming an invoice title and couldn't, or maybe adding one more team member suddenly bumped you into a higher plan. That's why in this video, we'll look at the 5 best Zoho Books alternatives and competitors, what each one does best, who it's for, and how they compare. And by the end, you'll discover a tool that doesn't just replace Zoho Books, but actually helps you run your accounting more smoothly. Let's be honest, Zoho Books isn't a bad product. It's reliable and gets the job done. But when you're growing fast, the limits start to show. Here are the limitations you are familiar with: limited customization and branding, lack of workflow flexibility, steep learning curve, weak customer support. That's when most teams start looking for alternatives, tools that bring flexibility, automation, and simplicity together. So let's explore the 5 best options that might fit you better. Number 1, Agency Handy. Agency Handy is the best Zoho Books alternative for teams that want more than just accounting. Zoho Books handles bookkeeping well, but Agency Handy goes beyond that. It connects proposals, invoices, projects, and client communication in one smooth workflow. Here's how it works. The moment a client places an order, an invoice is created automatically. Billing can be one-time, recurring, or subscription-based. You can accept payments through Stripe, PayPal, Wise, manual transfer, or even crypto. Every invoice is white-labeled, on-brand, and hosted under your domain. And that's just the start. You can manage proposals, track projects with Kanban boards, assign tasks, handle tickets, and even collect file feedback, all without switching tabs. With role-based access, your team and clients see only what matters to them. Clients log into their own branded portal, view progress, make payments, and share feedback directly. It's simple, modern, and made for how agencies actually work, not just how accountants work. Number 2, Wave. A great choice if you're a freelancer or small business owner looking for an affordable start. Wave offers free invoicing, payment tracking, and accounting, no hidden catches. You can create unlimited invoices, manage multiple clients, and even accept credit card and bank payments directly. It's clean, beginner-friendly, and gets you paid fast. Of course, it's not built for complex operations or big teams, but for solo entrepreneurs, it's a simple, reliable way to handle finances without breaking the bank. Thirdly, we have FreshBooks. FreshBooks focuses on simplicity and speed. You can create professional invoices, log time, and manage expenses in one dashboard. It supports ACH, PayPal, and credit card payments, all synced with your bookkeeping automatically. For service providers, FreshBooks shines in automation. You can set recurring invoices, send reminders, and track billed hours, all without manual work. It's built for freelancers and small teams that want clarity without the complexity of bigger tools. Number 4, Xero. Xero is all about automation and scale. It connects to your bank accounts, pulls transactions automatically, and simplifies reconciliation. It also handles multi-currency transactions, real-time reports, and even automated tax calculations. It's ideal for growing businesses that need detailed insights and multi-country support. You can collaborate with your accountant directly inside Xero, making it a good fit for companies expanding beyond borders. Lastly, we have on our list is Bonsai. Bonsai combines CRM, project tracking, and invoicing in a clean, modern interface. It's perfect for creative professionals, consultants, and small agencies who want everything: contracts, proposals, invoices, and payments in one place. You can automate recurring billing, manage clients through its built-in CRM, and keep all communication tied to projects. It's simple but powerful, and it keeps your workflow visually organized. So those are the top 5 Zoho Books alternatives. Each one has strengths depending on what you need, but they all point toward one thing: simplicity and integration. The truth is, most accounting tools only solve part of the problem. They handle numbers, but not the day-to-day flow of running your business. You still need one tool for proposals, another for invoices, another for projects, and a fourth for client updates. And that's when things start to slow down. You end up managing tools instead of managing your business. So while Zoho Books and many of its competitors handle finances beautifully, they don't connect the rest of your workflow. That's exactly why Agency Handy stands out. It bridges the gap between accounting and real agency operations. With Agency Handy, everything connects. From the first proposal to the final payment, the entire client journey happens in one system. So what does that actually mean for you? If Zoho Books feels like it's holding you back, it might be time to simplify. Agency Handy helps you manage everything from invoicing to delivery in one workspace that feels built for your business, not against it. Start your free 7-day trial today. Set up your branded client portal, send one proposal, and see how easy it feels to keep everything in sync. You'll know right away if it's the better fit.